Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I picked up this handleless screwdriver mainly because I felt sorry for it and also because it has a square shank with the blade offset from the flats. Did I say that right? Well, anyway, you get the idea. I think that's kind of a cool design. So let's see what we can do with the little fella. First, let's get what's left of the old handle off, the shank. This calls for a bigger chisel. I'm just winging it here. I'm not sure what this screwdriver handle should look like, but sometimes you got to take a leap of faith. I'm going to make the ferrule out of a piece of copper pipe fitting. So now I'm going to start the process of cleaning up and polishing, to some extent anyway, the screwdriver shank. It's got some pretty deep dings in it, so I'm not going to be able to get them all out. Not going to be a mirror finish, it's not going to be a showpiece either. But I think it'll look decent, hopefully, when I get through. The tip is in pretty good shape, so I think I'll just leave it alone. I think this is about as good as it's going to get for this screwdriver shank and tip. Not perfect, but it'll do. This is a piece of maple from my backyard that's been drying in the garage for a couple of years. I'm going to attempt to make a handle out of it. I don't have much experience on the wood lathe. I'm just learning, so we'll see how this turns out. I don't have any idea where these grooves should go. I'm just kind of making up as I go along here. I just put them where it looked kind of pleasing to me. I'm going to use some epoxy to secure the ferrule and the shank to the handle. Now for some final sanding to prepare the handle for finishing. I'm not going to use any stain on this handle. I prefer not to use stain on maple. I just think the maple looks nice the way it is. So first I'm going to put a coat of linseed oil on it. After I let the linseed oil soak in overnight, I decided to put a coat of this violin varnish, which is actually just shellac, thinned down on the handle. And I really didn't like the way it turned out. It took way too long to dry. So I used some of this Becol stuff, which is basically denatured alcohol, I believe, to remove the shellac, and decided to go with lacquer finish. So there you have it, guys. The handleless screwdriver has been handled. I think it came out pretty well. I hope you stuck with me this long, and be sure to like and comment and subscribe if you're so inclined. I really would appreciate it. So until next time, thanks for watching.